Hello Walter, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm preparing a personal video for you for the 2020 Suzuki VL800TMO. As brand new, 0 kilometers, and the price is $11,488 plus HST and licensing. These prices involve all the fees, the freight, PDI on big, and the only thing you pay is HST and licensing. This is full stock, comes with the original Boulevard windshield, the tall one, floorboards, and also comes with saddlebags and the backrests with the dots. I do have in the stock right now in the showroom. If you have some time, tomorrow Saturday we open 10 to 4, and you could come take a look at the motorcycle. Or if you want me to secure one of these, it's very easy. You could call me. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to secure one of these. As the season just started, and yeah, bike is available. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you for contacting us.